Lourdes P. Kakatsan, to our energetic principal, Marivic M. Pagatpatan, to our handsome barangay captain, Carlito R. Pascua, teachers, parents, my fellow graduates and visitors, a pleasant afternoon. Today marks a very significant day and a memorable one. Our journey as an elementary pupil has come to an end. Another level of our life begins to open. Another story that will surely be cherished, that is to be written and added in our book of life. A milestone to tread and meet more challenges to come. In our 6 years of stay here in our alma mater, we began to change, we began to explore things in our own way. Sometimes we even did not fully understand the ways we are living right now, because life is full of challenge. A life where we have joined much experiences, but still have the eagerness to continue even in times of crisis. We have the hope and trust in God, the Almighty, who once takes care for us, as long as we have faith in Him and do our part. We will surely succeed. Right at this moment, I feel very lucky, blessed, and have joy in my heart. In behalf of my fellow graduates, I want to thank all the people who have been part of our journey in this chapter of our life, in times of success and in times of failures. To our beloved parents, thank you so much. We know so well that we cannot repay you, but we will do our best to study harder, because education is the only asset that cannot be stolen from us. I thank God for having my parents, giving their overwhelming support for the past 6 years of schooling. I stand here, I feel the excitement and feeling of being success, my first step of my journey. My mother inspired me to reach my goal. Wala man po siya ngayon para saksihan ang aking unang tagumpay, alam ko po na lubos ang kanyang kasiyahan sa aking nakamit na karangalan. Para po sa iyo ito, Mama. Sa papa ko na nagsilbing ama at ina naming magkapatid, thank you for sacrifice, support, and love, and for always being ready to lend a helping hand. Maraming salamat din sa aming mga guro na nagpakahirap na sanayin at turuan kami sa panahon ng pag-aaral at makikipagtunggali. Nasa loob man o sa labas kami ng paaralan ay inyo pong ipinapakita at ipinararamdam ang wagas ninyong pagmamalasakit at pagmamahal sa amin. Sumasaludo kami sa walang sawang pagbibigay ninyo ng suporta sa amin kahit madalas kami ay pasaway. Kung wala po kayo, hindi po namin makakamit ang tagumpay na ito. Hindi po namin kayo makakalimutan. We will miss our elementary days with you. Sa aming paaralan na siyang naging saksis sa aming pakikibaka, patuloy ka naming alalahanin sa aming puso. Sa lahat ng natutunan naming kagandahang asal sa panahon ng pag-aaral sa loob ng 6 na taon. We may not be the best pupils you want to be, but we will always look back to all of you. Fellow graduates, let us then sacrifice to be apart from each other and see greater work ahead of us. I challenge every one of you to do good every now and then. Remember, we are the hope and trust in God. Remember, we are the hope of our fatherland, and for this, we should strive positively and continue our studies so that when we come back in our dear alma mater, she will be very proud to see us successful in life. Thank you very much.